collection of cacophonous individuals, wild animals, creatures, and other things that are unbeknownst to man. You will see sights, amazing feats, amazing feats. See some amazing hands too, as well as amazing feet. It's all here. I must tell you, it's all here. It must all here. Good night.
Well, hello. Who are you?
Oh, I know you.
I thought this was my show.
Well, I think it might be.
Who are you? I didn't invite you here, did I? Oh, for heaven's sake, you're missing props already.
What can I help you with?
If you guys would just hold on for 1 second.
All right. I know you're all dying to see me dance. The way it is.
Yay!
What a crowd, what a crowd. Okay. All right. Other things. Very well.
Did you guys wait long? I'm sorry I was gone that long. Well,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the rare Vindelaculus Megasaurus.
some people call me that. But most of my friends, they call me Dude. But you guys, you call me Pickles. Pickles. Can you call me Pickles?
Hi, Pickles.
Who likes pickles?
I do. I do.
Hi, Claire. Thank you for coming. Well, I'm going to tell you guys something. I've been a clown for as long as I can remember. Ever since I was your guys' age, I've been a clown. I am so good at this job. I've been doing it for years. People call me from all over the country to be a part of their birthday party.